In this video, I'm going to show you how to download GitHub files. Now, the first thing you want to do is find the GitHub file or product you want to download, and I found this smart auto clicker here from 957. It's just a random file I want to download, and then once you're on the file page and you've found the program, you simply go over here to the code, the blue button, and you click on download zip. And now once you've done that, your zip is going to start downloading. And then once it's downloaded, you can find it under your downloads folder. Now it's still downloading for me. There we go, it's downloaded. And now it's always a zip folder once you download it, so you first have to unzip it. And you do this by left clicking on it and then right click, extract all, and then you just leave it as this and click on extract. And it's going to extract for you, but it's going to take a little time depending on your computer specs. For me, it's quite quickly. As you can see, it's almost done. And once you're done and this process is completed, over here, it's going to open up the folder for you, and there you've got all the files from GitHub, and you can use them however you want to.